panel discussion which is going to be talking about making India a manufacturing hub. इस क्षेत्र पर कुछ और प्रकाश डालने मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी मिस्टर राघवेंद्र पाठक को.
For this, may I call upon our distinguished guests for the panel, Mr. R.S. Sodhi, Managing Director, Amul India Limited, Mr. Pramod Kumar, President, Jindal Drilling Overheads Marketing, Mr. Sanjeev Paul from Yamaha, Mr. Suhash Joshi, Marketing Head, Delta Power, Mr. Radhesh Kanumuri, Head Global Entrepreneur Program, Mr. Asif Merchant, MD Catwalk, Mr. Harish Mehta, Director Suzlon. Requesting each one of you to sort of talk about how to make India a manufacturing hub. May I start with Mr. Sodhi, sir?
Lot of people sitting here or outside may be thinking that our Honorable Prime Minister said, make in India, it is impossible. But let me tell you, I am from a milk industry, from dairy industry. We have got very good example. 20 million metric ton of producing 20 million metric ton of milk. We were deficit, we were importing everything. And today India is producing 145 million metric ton, more than 7 times. All has happened because of well-planned strategy to produce more.
My perspective, if I see the startups, especially from the B2B side, there has been a very good traction. There are companies in the Internet of Things space, there are companies in the mobile backend as a service space, big data space, analytics space, and as we see, we're going to be, conducting this B2B Startup Challenge again this year, now launching next week. So we expect a much more higher traction in terms of the number of people applying.
I'll request Asif to kind of, give a perspective on where are we and, take a stock of the situation.
2 years back, we launched a program called बाधा सभी हटाएंगे, जूता यहीं बनाएंगे. हमारा एटीट्यूड, हमने ये सोचा कि इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स के साथ हम यही करेंगे. So if we wanted to survive, we wanted to beat them in their own game. And if we want to beat them in their own game, the only thing was that the best way, the only way forward would be to make in India. We wanted to launch the most affordable and disposable fashion.
Maybe we can request Harish to kind of share his perspective on where are we with respect to Make in India and, any context with respect to his organization he wants to share first.
We used to send our blades for testing to Netherlands. The entire blade, which was in length, right now it is 44 meters length. A single blade of wind turbine now, which we are manufacturing. That is length of 44 meters.
So
that was sent to Denmark and Netherlands for testing.
Correct.
That testing facility was not there. We created the second testing facility in the world in Gujarat near Baroda. And now we are testing our blades there only in-house. So that kind of efforts have contributed a lot in this kind of Make in India efforts.
Before that, I'd like to move to Suhas. If you can throw a perspective on where are we with respect to Make in India and what is it that your organization is doing?
In India, we started our marketing almost about 20 years back. At that time, we never used to manufacture even a single pin over there. Now, we have reached to more than 80% of localization. Now we are no more dependent on the other countries, those we are multinational, the same standard, same quality which we produce in India.
Yes. Sure, Pramod. We'll come to that. Sanjeev, if you can have your...
I'll just speak on the automotive sector because I belong to Yamaha. One new thing which we have done is 7 Japanese suppliers, they have put up a factory as a vendor park near to our plant. Now all these 8 vendors are also investing 1,000 crores as the investment.
That's so nice.
And second, most important globally, what Yamaha has launched as a policy, sourcing from India. This means developing parts in India for the scooters and motorcycles. And then these common parts are exporting to the other Yamaha group companies.
So, thanks. With that, I'd like to wrap up this session and would like to thank the distinguished panelists on board. Asif, Radhesh, Mr. Sodhi, Sanjeev, Suhas, and Harish. Thank you. And maybe a big round of applause, please.